How to fix mouse cursor moving on its own. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix if your mouse cursor is moving on its own. The first thing you want to do is, if you are using a wireless mouse, consider replacing the batteries. If there is low batteries, there is a chance that this might be happening, so go ahead and replace the batteries. Now the next thing you want to do is open up the search menu and type in control panel, then select that. Once it is opened up, you want to click on categories and set that to large icons. Now click on the mouse option. Now you want to click on the pointers tab over here. Go ahead and click on use default, then click on apply and OK. Next thing you want to do is click on the pointers option. Now you want to select a pointer speed. If it is set to fast, then you want to slow it down by dragging it to the left hand side. The recommended setting here is to put that on the middle. Now, if you have selected Enhanced Pointer Precision, you want to uncheck that box. If the Hide Pointer while typing is selected, go ahead and uncheck that as well. Now click on Apply, then click on OK. After that is done, next thing you want to do is, in the search bar, search for Device Manager. Then click on Mice and Other Pointing Devices. Here, right-click on your current mouse device. Then you can click on the Update Driver option and then update that driver. If it is still not working, go ahead and click on the Uninstall Device option, and then once it has been uninstalled, unplug your mouse as well. After restarting your device, you want to plug it back and it should automatically begin downloading the drivers for you. And in this way, you can fix this problem. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.